Friends, I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great. Today also I brought for you the exclusive fancy demanded ready-made collections for the matching sarees of printed Poonam plain sarees. All these collections for the matching blouses also you can purchase at wholesale price. Keep watching this video, subscribe the channel, and you can easily place an order and you can make your customers happy by selling these collections with the margin, where the triple margin you can sell these collections of varieties. If I talk about this fabric is lycra, which is very stretchable and lightweight. All the sizes also available, including the color charts. So if I talk about the plain sarees, printed sarees, synthetic sarees, chiffon saree, plain come jerry border sarees, lace border sarees, in that multiple turkey, crepe and soft silk, satin, weightless sarees, many more fabrics are daily regular wear, even the working women also prefer, right? So according to those sarees, we will see the ready-made matching collections of the blouses, which are stretchable and lightweight, too comfortable and attractive and very beautiful. Let's have some samples. So the first pattern, very beautiful pattern, which is a velvet finishing, but it looks like a velvet finishing is there, but in this velvet finishing has been given, which is a lycra fabric. Very simple, very sober, and the benefit, if I talk about the lycra fabric, without hooks you can wear. According to the personality, all are stretchable varieties. So this is the first pattern. You can see a designer stitch has been given here. There is a mark over here. So this will be very stylish and very fancy. In this collections you have I'll show you the color, alternate color charts also. Example, this is a red. In this you can find out only dark colors. The code is zigzag is the code, and the size is also XL. You have a XL, small and triple XL sizes, which is all the stretchable. If I talk about the next pattern, very beautiful and very pretty collections. In this fabric, on the fabric itself is a design you can see here, the maroon color, which is a very pretty and very simple sober. You can see the deep neck. And in this also you have a color charts. In this also you have only dark colors. I have a sample of the Rani color. You can see here the Rani color. So lycra fabric, designer, plain. This is a one more pattern. If I talk about the next pattern, which is very fancy, the Rama green color. Satrangi is the code, which is a double XL size has been mentioned over here. So this is a very beautiful and fancy puff pattern has been highlighted. This is a puffy, which is very for the regular fancy, even for the working ladies. I can prefer the length and the body part according to the hip. You can cover it according to the colors. Also, we do have a color charts. I'm going to show you the one more color, which is a golden color. So it is designed on the fabric itself. It has been designed. This is a one more pattern. So we do have many more varieties. If I talk about the next pattern, which is a jerry based, which is a pista green color with a green, blue, red, pink, you can see here, especially for the jerry lace border sarees of golden jerry, copper jerry. In print when we see the lightweight jerry border sarees, you can wear these kind of blouses, which will be very attractive and highlights very beautiful. In this, there's a code called Rangila. I'm going to show you the alternative color, which is a lavender based. Which is XL, also mentioned the size over here. Kesaria tag is over here. So according to the color, the jerry has been filled on this, which is a lycra fabric. These are all unique designs of the fast moving collections, which the ladies are preferring, and it's a very demanded at the market. For the reselling, there is a huge profit business. And here you're watching the further plain sarees for the golden jerry or the copper or silver, as I said. Printed sarees also you can use this for the plain sarees. Mostly for the plain sarees, this kind of blouses are very fast moving, and the unique contrasted color borders you can match for the sarees. Print, there is a golden jerry is there. In this, the dark green color, bottle green you're watching here. If I want to show you the alternate color, I'm going to show you the black color. With the same print, the jerry will be the same, only the color charts you can purchase. According to each design, you can purchase like 7, 6, 5. All these different varieties you can also add into your business. So these varieties you can purchase at factory price. You can buy at wholesale price around, which starts from 55 rupees, and the printed come fancy traditional designer embroidering jerry, threadwork saree, sequence, regular party wear, celebrity wear, with sleeves, without sleeves, all kind of ready-made blouses also you can purchase around 250 to 300. If I talk about the matching collections for all varieties of sarees for the boutique, even from the regular wear or the traditional. We do have a false petticoat, unstitched blouse materials, stitched materials like stretchable of the petticoat. Even we do have a cotton, all varieties you can purchase. So these collections today I've showed you the lycra, fast moving, demanded. So resellers, you can add into your business, you can bulk place an order, you can easily purchase by doing online shopping. COD options is there. Try to visit once Kesaria Manufacturers, which is located at Surat City, Millennium Textile Building 1, first floor, morning 9:30 to 8:30. We operate out of the shop. We do have a sales executives to guide you. Even in the numbers which are scrolling on the number, you can directly do video calling purchase and enjoy it. So I'll complete this video. Let me know in the comment box from which city you're watching the video. Keep supporting me. Subscribe the channel to share with the regular updates. Keep sharing with your friends, relatives, with everyone. Next video we'll meet up. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.